guys, so this is the first episode of River Tested by Fishing Made Easy, and we're going to be out here tomorrow on the Flint River, and we're going to be trying the Z-Man jackhammer chatterbait. This is a kind of a unique little bait. It's a little bit more expensive than your typical chatterbaits. We're going to see if it's worth the money, and we're going to be out here. We're going to couple this thing with HD Tackle's paddle tail, a little shorter paddle tail, and we're going to thread up on this hook right here as a trailer and see how good we do. So stay tuned. I'm sure we got a great video coming for you. Got my fish. Oh, you don't. Hey, it looked like one. What was that? There you go. I don't know if it's a gar or what. It's just... Yeah. There he is. Ooh, that's a good one. Ooh. Boy. That's a big ass boy. Ooh, there was two of them. One of them was trying to eat the other one. Throw it out there. But nice little river bass. As this guy was eating and he come up to the top of the water, there was another shoal bass. I seen another shoal bass. Oh man! Maybe that shoal bass that was trying to get it is this guy had it in his mouth. It was amazing, dude. That was crazy, bro. That was crazy. Got him another one. That's a good bass. Oh man, he let go. No, he didn't. He's back. He's on. He's on. He was just coming at me. Guys, we might have found a spot right here. Oh, he's another good one. Right back in the channel, guys. Nice bass. Just kind of working as a jig head. I think so, dude. Got him. Man, we are on him. Oh yes, yes, guys. Got another one. Another one on the jackhammer, guys. These fish are out here ready to eat today, guys. They're hungry. Nice one. He's on yours. He's on yours. No! Bit's line got hung up on my line as I was trying to reel in the fish. He went right up under Bit's line. Oh man, that's heartbreaking. That was a pretty nice one too. That was a good. That'll get your blood pumping. Oh, we got a good one. Oh, got one. He's a big one. He's a real big one. He's probably been out there for 100 years. It's a log. It's a bell, bro. I thought you had a monster. What? That was great. Give me a little. Ooh, he's on.
Oh yeah. Picked up another good one out here with the jackhammer. Nice, beautiful bass. Let him go.
Nice slam at the seats. Oh my God. Oh, that's gonna be great. Oh, there's a bitch.
There's gotta be a hole in the canoe. We just straight hit a rock.
Man.
Dude, next time I look up, bit's like in my lap.
Oh, that sucked there.
I hope he didn't tear a hole in the boat. You hit that thing wide open.
What's up, guys? So we just walking out of the river. We just got out. Had a great day. Threw nothing but the jackhammer, chatterbait, fishing the HD tackle paddle trailers. Had a great day. You know, we had a few short strikes, but we picked up a lot of good fish, good size river bass. All in all, definitely a bait to go with if you're going to fish it here on the river. So great chatterbait. It's successful in lakes. As you can see today from this video, it's definitely a great lure choice to fish on the river. So like, subscribe. We're going to have some more videos coming out for you. We're going to do some more river testing videos this weekend, so we'll have some coming. And always like and subscribe.